Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Camry hood from the outside. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, typically found on the lower left side of the driver's dashboard. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a click, indicating the primary latch has disengaged. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off before proceeding. Now move to the front of your Camry. Gently lift the hood a few inches, just enough to create a small gap. Reach your hand into this gap, directly above the grille, and feel around for a small secondary latch. This latch is usually located near the center of the hood's front edge, often slightly to one side. Once you've located the secondary latch, you'll need to manipulate it to fully release the hood. Depending on your Camry model, you might push this small lever to the side, typically to the left, or lift it upwards. This action will completely disengage the final locking mechanism, allowing the hood to pop up slightly, indicating it's now free. With the secondary latch released, you can now fully lift the hood open. Use both hands to raise it smoothly. Look for the prop rod, which is typically attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Extend the prop rod and securely insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame to hold the hood safely open.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.